my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like
Let's get on with some music videos so we can relax. It's time for some relaxation. I've chose one which is Telugu and the other one which is Malayalam because last week we did Hindi and then Tamil right together. So we need to give it to them now. The Malayalis and the Telugites. Okay? I hope you understand. If you don't, then please understand. Which is a song. Let's check out the songs. The first song that we are watching is called Me Sala Pilla, full lyrical. Mana Shankara. Wait a minute. Here's the song name. Movie name is okay. Mana Shankara Varaprasad Garu. Hopefully it's correct. If not, sorry. Cast is megastar Chiranjeevi and Nayanthara. Singers is Udit Narayan and Shweta Mohan. Music director Beams. Caps, I'll turn on the caps just in case, but probably we won't understand anything. Anyways, let's go. Producers Sahu. It's a love song.
మీసాల పిల్ల నీ ముక్కు మీద కోపం కొంచెం తగ్గాలి పిల్ల మీసాల పిల్ల నీ ముక్కు మీద కోపం కొంచెం తగ్గాలి పిల్ల
I think she's angry at him.
పొద్దు లేచిన దగ్గర నుంచి ఢిల్లీ యుద్ధాల మొగుడు పెళ్ళాలంటే
And he's trying to
కంకి గొడవల్ల
convince her.
కన్నెర చెయ్యాల కారాలే నూరేలా ఇట్ట తుమ్మెత్తి పొయ్యాల చూరాలే పెంచేలా కొందేలు కోపం వస్తే చిరుతగి చెమటలు పట్టేలా
Actually, there's no caps, but I can catch some words. Yeah. It's just the innocent face, can't trust him.
మీసాల పిల్ల నీ
Ladies
ముక్కు
can
మీద
relate.
కోపం కొంచెం తగ్గాలి పిల్ల మీసాల పిల్ల
What does Misala Pilla mean? Let me know in the comments, okay? I'm curious. We're getting the behind the scenes. Vijay Pulaki. Shout out to all of them. Tamir Raju. A.S. Prakash. Samir Reddy. Let's go, DOP. Which is this location? Looks fine.
ఆ ఎదురింటి వెంకట్రావు పుల్లుగా చచ్చుంటాడు పక్కింటి సుబ్బారావు
Emoji.
చెట్టుంటాడు
Storytelling.
కొట్టుకుపోను వాడు ఎట్లు కొట్టుకుపోను
ఏడు కొండల వెంకన్న నా బాధని చూసుంటాడు శ్రీశైలం మల్లన్న కరుణించుంటాడు కనుకే నీతో కట్టయ్యాను చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంటున్నాను
Honestly, they could have given her a better sari, but
ఇంత హార్షగా మాట్లాడాలా
It's Nayanthara, so it's clean. his heart broken.
తప్పు చెయ్యకుండా భూమి మీద ఎవరైనా ఉంటారా
నీ తప్పుల
Come on, cut him some slack.
భక్తుడి చిట్టాలా
ఏ మీసాల పిల్ల
He's trying so much.
నీ ముక్కు మీద కోపం కొంచెం
The
తగ్గాలి
house.
పిల్ల.
Is it their house? Oh my god.
నువ్వు కాకా పడితే కరిగేటంత
Such a good interior.
రాజీ పడదామంటే రావే మాజీ ఇల్లాలా
నువ్వు రోజు పెట్టే నరకంలోకి మళ్ళీ దూకాలా
అబ్బా, పాతవన్నీ తోడాలా నా అంతు ఏదో చూడాలా కలకత్తా కాళీ మాత నీకు మెన్నత్తయ్యేలా
All the men, learn from him. Learn from him how to convince the girl. But she is still not convinced.
అల్లో బాగా చలిగా ఉంది
Oh.
దుప్పటి కప్పండ్రా
I love you. Is written on the pillow. It's cute. That was such a cute one. He tried so hard to convince her, but she still is not convinced. Story of every guy's life, right? Where you, but you need to still learn. Like he's putting in efforts, to try to convince her. Nowadays, nobody gives a fuck. So, but anyways, super cute. It's anyway millennials, so we understand why are they so lovey-dovey. And the song entirely was like, you look angry. He's running around behind her, maybe with some sweet talk, right? And then she's like, "Nah, you are untrustable. You're a bitch, whatever. You do this all the time. Why did you do it again?" Okay, let's go to the comments. Oh my god, the comment section is filled with Telugu comments. Let me check. Legend Udit Narayanan. The song also sounded pretty cute. These lyrics are absolutely brilliant and have the Telugu flavor. Somebody explain the lyrics to me, the ones that I did not understand. I can't help but wish S.P. Balu Garu were still with us to sing this. His voice and emotion would have elevated the song to an entirely different level. Okay, R.I.P. Chiranjeevi and Udit Narayan songs are magical. The song was also really good, guys. But I was just engrossed in the video. Like they both are so cute together. Pure Telugu song, superb. Telugu Pata Ante Illa Undali. Maybe I butchered the Telugu, I'm sorry. Udit Narayanan and Shweta Mohan both are the heart of the song, absolutely. They both have the chemistry too, because it was love, it was romance. Let's go to the next one, it's gonna be in Malayalam. Song name is Jalakari, movie is Balti, and lyrics by Vinayak Shashi Kumar. Okay. Sai Abhyankar is a singer and Subalakshini. Lyrics written by Vinayak, okay. Shashi Kumar, music composed by Sai Abhyankar. Yay! Sounds good. I covered everyone, right? Yeah. Shane Nigam is the actor. Preeti is also the actor. Cool. Caps are on. Let's go! Oh, he's a player. Sports. Also this. This too. He's a player. It's a village setting, right? Another love song. Cute. They are in the honeymoon phase. Oh, he's working. Chicken stock. 1 kg. Please. That's not the right place for romance. Calm. Stinky. Bro's in love. He's so cute, guys. They're romancing with the eyes. The boys are like, Why am I blushing? Looking at them. dance. We needed that to cleanse our souls. Magical enchantress. The dance is giving the Tamil vibes. Balti. This one again seemed like sweet, innocent romance. Seemed like the honeymoon phase, where everything, even your eyes, is like twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. What did I just say? They are literally in that phase, happy, lovey-dovey, just with eyes, sexy girl. Not that, not the lust. It's love that we're talking about. Even his friends are like, only you are within the romance. We have nobody. But it looks nice. And the dance moves, her rain dance, like trying to seduce him. Even he had trimmed his face to look that, baby girl, how do you look now? Do I look like your man? Yeah, I do. That's enough. You get my point. I'm kind of tired, so let's end this by looking at some of the comments because we're doing like 2 videos in a single reaction. So it's kind of like too much, right? It's too much. Let's check it out. Sai Abhyankar is the musical style. It's a statement that he's giving. It's a musical style. Period. Okay? If you want to believe it, I just cut your throat. Kidding. Anyone on 6th November? Yes! I am here watching it on 6th November. Real Jalakaran is Sai Abhyankar for sure. He's enchanting us. I can feel it in the air. Why did I sing that? A Tamil movie vibe in Bollywood. I told you too that the dancing, even the vibe, total vibe was also kind of like Tamil. The way they were doing things, the simplicity, I guess it was. Tamil plus Mallu combo of Sai Abhyankar is kind of cute, right? It's kind of cute. He didn't mention cute. He was like, it's climbing the charts, but it's kind of cute. Sai Abhyankar voice is magical, cute. Jalakari. No, I'm not gonna picture it. I'm sorry. Sorry again. The voice whispers something into your souls. It's love. It's love. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the reaction. I'll come back to you in a couple of days with a Prabhas fight scene. Alright, until then, stay tuned, take care, and I love you. I do. I really do. With all the love that's going on in the music videos, I love you. Especially if you're single. We will take care of you on this channel. So don't forget to like, okay? And subscribe, because you are my lover.
No filter.